हेलो एवरीवन। ये लेक्चर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लंबा होने वाला है, तो ध्यान देके आपको पढ़ना है और सुनना भी है। आपके सामने स्लाइड भी होंगे, तो बीच बीच में आपको मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, उसका आंसर आपको कमेंट्स में डालना है, ठीक है। तो आज हम हार्ट और हर्ट, व्हाट इज़ राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, यू गाइज ओनली डिसाइड, तो उसके बारे में हम पढ़ने वाले पूरा डिटेल में, ठीक है। मैं जहाँ तक बोलूँगा वहाँ तक वीडियो स्टॉप करना है, मतलब 8-9 स्टैंडर्ड के लिए वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो मैं सिखाते सिखाते आपको बताऊँगा। तो हार्ट क्या है? इट इज़ ए मस्कुलर हॉलो ऑर्गन, राइट। और कहाँ पे सिचुएटेड, लोकेशन कहाँ है पे? इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द थोरैक्स बिटवीन द टू लंग्स। इट इज़ स्लाइटली लेफ्ट टू आवर बॉडी, स्लाइटली, नॉट एग्जैक्टली लेफ्ट, राइट। और कितने चेंबर से बनता है? 4 चेंबर्स, 4 valves, 2 atrium and 2 ventricles, as well as 2 separate pumps, right and left sides. अभी देखिए, राइट साइड रिसीव ब्लड फ्रॉम द बॉडी एंड सेंड इट टू द लंग्स। मीन्स जो ब्लड रिसीव कर रहा है वो कौन सा है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड? इट इज डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड। एंड लेफ्ट साइड रिसीव द ब्लड फ्रॉम द लंग्स एंड सेंड इट टू द बॉडी। उसको क्या, कौन सा बोलेंगे? ब्लड ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड। ऑक्सीजनेटेड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड क्या है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड मीन्स विच आर रिच इन द ऑक्सीजन, डीऑक्सीजनेटेड मीन्स which are rich in the carbon dioxide. And when your blood sent to the lungs, that is called pulmonary circulation. And the receive the blood from the lungs to the heart and pour whole body to the heart, that is called systemic circulation, right. This is general information. You can see the diagram. Interior of the heart, aorta, pulmonary artery, left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. लार्जेस्ट वेन कौन सी है? इंफीरियर वेना cava. और हमने कहा था कि हार्ट इज सराउंडेड बाय द मेम्ब्रेन कॉल्ड एज पेरिकार्डियम. सी, you can see in the diagram, pericardium layer, which is double membrane in structure, and both membrane are filled with the pericardial fluid, right. You can see here the pericardium is a fibroserous sac that encloses the heart and the root of the great vessels. The pericardium lies within the middle of mediastinum, right. This is pericardium membrane which protect from the shock. Now what is exactly function? It is function to restrict the excessive movement of heart as whole and to serve as a lubricated container in which the different parts of the heart can contract. अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगे तो ब्लड पंप होगा क्या? नहीं. तो पेरिकार्डियम हेल्प heart muscles to get contract and pump the blood. This is main function of the pericardium. All right. Now heart wall, there are 3 different types: pericardium, endocardium and myocardium, right. Myocardium is middle layer, pericardium outermost, endocardium is innermost. Endocardium, deepest layer of heart, smooth lining to reduce the friction of blood flow. Here is the function. What is function? Smooth lining to reduce friction of blood flow. Pericardium, outer protective layer composed of visceral pericardium, pericardial cavity and parietal pericardium. And myocardium, it is middle layer of the heart, location of muscle fiber responsible for the pumping. Means myocardium में जो muscle fibers है which is responsible for the pumping of the blood. Now the heart chambers, it is made by the 4 different chambers, which are those 2 arteria and 2 ventricles, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Right atrium and right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood, and left atrium and left ventricle receive oxygenated blood. Alright, and the ventricles are separated by the middlemost layer, that is septum. Now what is mean atria or auricle, you can say? It is small thin walled chambers, because as compared to ventricle they are small. What is their function? They receive the receiving chamber for the blood returning to the heart from the circulation. Means deoxygenated blood, it receives deoxygenated blood mostly on the right atrium, and it pushes the blood into the adjacent ventricle. Which are the adjacent ventricle to the right atrium? Of course, right ventricle. Now the main question, who brings the deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle, or sorry, right atrium? It receives the blood, deoxygenated blood, from superior and inferior vena cava, right? And it transport the blood from right atrium to the right ventricle. In next slide we can see the heart chambers. Ventricles, now it is make up most of the mass of the heart. Out of 4, ventricles are larger in size, right? The wall of the left ventricle are 3 times thicker than those of the right. कहाँ किसकी? जो लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल है उसकी wall 3 times thicker है than the right one, because this is the last portion from where blood is going to pump to all over the body. That's why he need more and more thicker walls, and it get more and more contraction than the any other chambers. What is the function of ventricles? Discharging chamber of the heart. We call it discharging chambers. It propels blood to the pulmonary trunk. Means right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs, and left ventricle pump the blood towards the body. Right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from the inferior vena cava below and from the superior vena cava above. You can see in the diagram. Upper body part से कौन लाता है blood? Superior vena cava, and lower body part से inferior vena cava brings the blood. Okay. Now right atrium, it receives deoxygenated blood from the inferior vena cava as well as superior vena cava. The right ventricle receive blood from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. Now answer me, which valve is present between the right ventricle and right atrium? Which valve is present? The left atrium, it receive oxygenated blood from our pulmonary veins, which drain posteriorly. First, that pulmonary veins brings the oxygenated blood to the left atrium or auricle, you can say. From left ventricle it pumps to the body, right? But from right atrium it is left atrium to the left ventricle, and from there it is transported to all over the body. All right. There is one more valve is present between the left ventricle and left atrium, that is bicuspid or mitral valve, right? The mitral valve guards the passage of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Mostly valves of function के, what is the function of valve? It protects the backflow mostly, right? The left ventricle, the wall of left ventricle is thicker than the right ventricle, but the structure is smaller as compared to the size. It is smaller than the right ventricle. The thick wall is necessary to pump oxygenated blood at high pressure to the systemic circulation. Systemic means all over the body parts. All right. The heart valves ensure unidirectional blood flow through the heart. Means with the help of valves we can protect the backflow in circulation. There are 2 major types, right? Arterioventricular valve and semilunar valve. What is mean arterioventricular valves? Because they are present between atrium and ventricles. That's why we call it arterioventricular valve. How many valves are there like arterioventricular? That is tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, or we can call it mitral valve, right? So atrioventricular valve total 2 in numbers, tricuspid, bicuspid. Atrioventricular valves prevent backflow of blood into the atria when ventricles contract. Whenever ventricles going to contract, there is possibility to flow back into the atrium, but this valve protect the backflow from the ventricles to the atrium. All right. And semilunar heart valves, semilunar valve prevent backflow of blood into the ventricles. कैसे? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से कहाँ जाएगा? होल बॉडी, वहाँ से फिर रिटर्न आएगा तो कैसे? इसलिए देर इज़ वन मोर वाल्व विच प्रोटेक्ट द बैकफ्लो, एंड फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल इट इज़ पंपिंग टू द लंग्स. फ्रॉम लंग्स अगर वो वापस आएगा राइट वेंट्रिकल में तो मतलब क्या रहेगा? सो देर इज़ वन मोर वाल्व इज प्रेजेंट इन द राइट वेंट्रिकल, वी कॉल इट semilunar valve. So what is the function of semilunar valve? It prevents the backflow of blood into the ventricles. Aortic semilunar valve lies between the left ventricle and the aorta, and pulmonary semilunar valve lies between the right ventricle and pulmonary trunk. हार्ट साउंड कैसा होता है? हम सुन पाते कभी भी लुप डुप लुप डुप लुप डुप, ड्यू टू द valves closing. Whenever valves going to open and close during the closing, whenever atrioventricular valves going to close, we can hear the sound loop, and whenever semilunar valve get closed, we can hear the sound dup, loop dup. So this question can be asked in the exam. semilunar valve closing के टाइम विच साउंड जनरेट होता है, और आर्ट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर वाल्व जब क्लोज होंगे उस वक्त कौन सी साउंड जनरेट होती है? लुप और डुप, राइट. उसके बाद सिस्टोल डायस्टोल प्रेशर भी देखना है हमें. सो हर एक में पार्ट वाइज लेंगे हम. ऑल राइट. नाउ सेमील्यूनर वाल्व, एज अ वेंट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर pressure rises, blood is pushed up against the semilunar valve, forcing them to open. Means whenever interventricular pressure rises, semilunar valves get open, and whenever ventricles relax and interventricular pressure falls, blood flow back from the arteries, filling the semilunar valve, forcing them to the close. Means ventricles, whenever ventricles are relaxed position, their semilunar valve is in closed condition, and whenever ventricles are going to contract, it always opens. Here is the 4 different valves: atrioventricular valve and semilunar. Which are those? Right atrioventricular, that is tricuspid. Left atrioventricular valve, that is bicuspid or mitral valve. Semilunar, pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Right tricuspid valve, it separates the right atrium from the right ventricle, prevents backflow into the atrium. This is the function of tricuspid valve. And what is the function of bicuspid valve? It separates the left atrium from the left ventricle. It prevents the backflow into the atrium. Now function of the pulmonary valve, it separates the right ventricle from the pulmonary arteries and prevent the backflow after ventricular contraction. Aortic valve, it separates the left ventricle from aorta and prevents backflow after the ventricular contraction. Now we will stop here, and this portion is mostly useful for the 8th, 9th and 10th student, and next portion will be for 11th and 12th. ऐसा नहीं कि 8, 9, 10th के बच्चे नहीं देख पाएंगे, वो भी देख सकते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज इज़ ऑलवेज गुड. ऑल राइट. और एक रिक्वेस्ट, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना और बेल आइकन भी दबा के जाइए. थैंक यू.